Hello children, today we'll do exercises based on the adjectives. Okay, I had explained to you in your previous video that there are three kinds of adjectives. Okay, now the first exercise based on that, Alan is a tall boy. He's wearing a new t-shirt. This is the fifth t-shirt he has been gifted this year. He really loves his toy cars. Alan has 7 toy cars. Alan carries some water and a little milk when he goes out to play with his cars. Okay, the first kind of adjective is the adjective of quality. So, tall, new, loves. All these three are adjectives of quality. Then, adjectives of quantity, some, little. Okay, both these are adjectives of quantity. Then, fifth, 7. These are adjectives of number. Now, we look at another exercise based on that. Read the paragraph and underline the adjectives. Sort them into adjectives of quality, quantity and number. One is done for you. Okay, Adnan was excited. He was going to the market by himself for the first time. He entered the busy market and went to a shop. He bought some juice and 3 packets of biscuits. He had enough money to buy these things. Okay, so the first adjective is the adjective of quality, and here what is it? It is excited and then busy. How was the market? It was busy. Then quality, some, juice. Okay, he bought some juice. And then enough money. Okay, then adjectives of number, the first. Okay, what happened? He went to the market for the first time. Then 3 packets of biscuits. Okay, so these are the different kinds of adjectives, namely adjectives of quality, quantity and number. Then next we'll move on to what is known as the degrees of comparison. What do you mean by degrees of comparison? Okay, first we'll read these sentences. Delhi is cold during winter. Shimla is colder than Delhi during winter. Leh is the coldest of the 3 cities. Okay, in all these sentences, the adjective used is cold. Okay, but in the first sentence, you just say that Delhi is cold. Okay, you just say it is cold, that's all. Then, when you come to the second sentence, you see that they are comparing Shimla and Delhi, saying that Shimla is colder than Delhi. Okay. Then what about the third sentence? In the third sentence, we have said that Leh is the coldest. Okay, it is the coldest among the 3 cities. Among Delhi, Shimla and Leh, Leh will be the coldest. Okay, so when we compare the adjectives, we get what is known as the degrees of comparison, and then the form is changed. Okay, here it is only cold. We write it as only cold. Then we say colder and then coldest. Okay, so the adjectives form is changed. It changes from cold to colder to coldest. Okay, these are called the degrees of comparison, and the first degree is called the positive degree. Okay, this is here it is cold. There are other examples like clever, strong, small and all that. Then the next one is the comparative degree, wherein you are comparing 2 things. Okay, here it is Delhi and Shimla. So cleverer, stronger. Okay, these are all the comparative degrees of adjectives. Then one more example. Ramu is quicker than Mohan. So you are comparing Ramu and Mohan, saying that Ramu is quicker than Mohan. Okay, the last degree is called the superlative degree. So the superlative degree is used when we say that there is no thing more than that. Okay, it is the best, we say. Okay, like that Rakesh is the quickest. Okay, so what does it mean? Nobody is more quick than Rakesh. He is the quickest boy compared to all the other children in the class. Okay, so now there are few adjectives which are used. Okay, how they change their form. These are examples of the different degrees of comparison. So let us look at the positive degree. Short, long, smart, old. Okay, when we take all these four, short, what is the comparative degree? Shorter. She is shorter than him, like that. Okay, and then he was the shortest, that will be the superlative degree. Then again long, that is a positive degree. Then longer, longest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Old, older, oldest. Or you can also say elder, eldest. Then rich, richer, richest. Weak, weaker, weakest. New, newer, newest. Okay, so this is how you change the form of the adjective from a positive degree to a comparative degree, and then finally to a superlative degree. Children, I hope you all have understood how you have to change the forms of the adjectives. In your next class, I'll be doing the exercises based on these degrees of comparison. Thank you.